Welcome back to How to Daily. If you are holding dogs in your Telegram wallet and want to transfer them to your OKX exchange account, this video is for you. I will guide you through the process step by step. First, open your Telegram wallet, navigate to the dog's token balance, and click on it to bring up the options for transferring your tokens. Next, log into your OKX account and go to the deposit section. Select dogs as the cryptocurrency and copy the deposit address. This address is where you'll be sending your dogs from Telegram. Now go back to Telegram and in your wallet, choose the option to send or transfer. Paste the OKX deposit address you copied earlier in the recipient field. So after entering the amount of dogs you want to transfer, review the details to ensure everything is correct. Once you are ready, confirm the transaction. The transfer may take a few minutes to process depending on network congestion. That's how you transfer dogs from your Telegram wallet to OKX. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.